guys asked for it, so we're gonna give it to you. We're gonna do a review on our Predator 670 swapped golf cart. Guys, so she drives really good. We'll explain to you some of the cons that come with the swap that we've experienced. I think we've had it for, what, about 3 or 4 months now? We're gonna kind of show you the cons of having this swap and what we've kind of battled going through it. Oh, I probably should put my open knife away.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
That's not the gas, that's the air filter, buddy. And like I said, we've had it for 3 or 4 months now, and this is kind of what we've got out of it. Okay, so one of the things that happened to it is that this plate kind of sits a little low. That's one of the bad parts about it. It's about the same size as the diff, but it sticks way under there. These clowns are driving it and they broke it, or they didn't really break it. So down here they have like a little shaft, this in the front. This is even coming out, and it fell off of the top right here because they just used this bolt and this plate, and this actually fell off, and then it caused it to lean way down. It wasn't quite dragging because it had all that support back there, but that came off, and then it decided to rip all of our electrical out up here. So everything that was connected to the starter, it just ripped out. We had it bolted up right there, so then it just tore it as it went out. When we did our swap, we didn't want to harm the Harbor Freight start panel here, so we just cut it into our golf cart here, and then if we ever have to return it because we bought the warranty, we can just take that out and bolt it back on the motor and we're set. Another issue we had was this bolt right back there. That came out, and this like popped off, and it wasn't letting us go because it's attached to our diff, so it'd spin. Other than those kind of things we've had happen to it, it's really been a good golf cart. For the torque and everything, it's good, it's powerful, but if you really want speed, it's not a speed demon. I think we've got, what, 30 miles an hour out of it? Yeah. Average, we're about 25, and it's not like we're freaking having the governor off of it. We haven't done anything performance-wise to the motor. We just slapped it in there and just ran it. So a little bit background on this golf cart. We used to have the stock engine in it. It was kind of souped up, and it did pretty good. It went like 25 miles an hour. It was awesome. We blew that one up, going up some hill climb or something. It was hot outside. And then after that one, we took it to the guy, like we said in the last video. He did it. It only went 11 miles an hour. He didn't do a good job on the rebuild. Kind of butt. And then we got this one, and this one's been good to us. Also, if you guys are looking to do this swap, it's really not a speed demon. We haven't done anything to this motor. No, we haven't even tore into the motor. So if you want to go for speed, they do a whole bunch of kits for it. Overall, it's been a great engine. I'll let you guys know if it breaks. Here, you guys probably don't want us to talk too much about it, so we're gonna go rip it for you guys. And let's go. On this dirt road, and it's not faster going, but we'll show you when we're off it. We're gonna do the speed test. We got the app pulled up here, and nice straight road, so we'll show you what she's all about. That's all she's got, baby. 22. So we got a bit of a hill climb going up. Here we go, we'll get a dirt hill climb going for you. Dirt hill climb. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you stay tuned and look at our other builds. They're pretty cool.
Like and subscribe.